Okay, folks, I'm sorry about the angle today, but uh, my camera isn't really working all that well. Today's little project, this is a solar light. The battery's quit on it. And what the hell? Wonderful. Phillips head battery, Phillips head screwdriver is too sharp. Alrighty, I'm gonna walk away. Yep, you get to deal with that. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. We're filming from the buggy today. Camera set up on the seat. And there we go. Much better. Yep, we're filming from the seat. Ugh. It's just, it's been out for a while. Some of these cheap ones actually take a battery. Sometimes it's a couple of rechargeable AA's, and other times it's those big expensive batteries. The batteries cost more than the light itself. But I've had this light about 4 years now. It's actually nice having it. It's nice having a light that's not wired up. Nice not having it wired up, so it relies on household current. Come on. Oh boy, that one's being tough. There we go. Longer handle, longer shank screwdriver. Okay. Let's see if I get this thing to pop apart now. Yep. Gotta put the screws down because it doesn't want to come apart. Real tiny ass screws. I know it's a different angle to what I'm used to. Used to seeing my smiling face or my ugly ass. But I'm disabled. I can't do much. And what I can do, I'll do. Like my shed up the street there, up the hill. I can't do anything with it unless I have some help. Oh boy. Pocket knife time. Ooh. This one's wired in. This one is wired in. Oh boy. Gonna have to do something about that. See? It's wired in. There we go. Whoop. I know I have a battery that'll fit it. Just I'm gonna have to. Oh, we'll see if this lithium 18650 cost online with the little plug on it. If it's more expensive than what I've got on hand, I'll just solder up a battery together. Like I said, it's been a reliable light. That's not my problem. It's been a very reliable light. But we're going to end this video with this because I have to order a part. So, like I say, like, subscribe. There we go. Just remember my little sign here. It's the Truckluddite channel. Just like, subscribe. Oh, I just noticed it. I'm sorry, folks. I'm really sorry I forgot when I do it this way. Everything is backwards. So, just like and subscribe. You might find the correction later.